Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Ceejaybrand. We're back with a brand new video for you guys once again. Now today we are unboxing a brand new pair of wireless headphones. However, it's not going to be from JVC. These are actually the Jlabs. So today we went ahead and purchased the Jlab Go Air Pops. And I'm really not for sure why the pop is there, but I can kind of go ahead and lean towards just because it's pop because it has 5 different colors. It comes in black, lilac, slate teal, red, and yeah, those are all 5 colors. I'm gonna put some in more. Now I'm surprised they really didn't have like a white color as well, but I guess the lilac, you know, it plays into effect for it. So let's go ahead and get done with the boring stuff. You know, let's go ahead and unbox the headphones because this is our 3rd pair, and of course we're gonna be doing one final video just to see, you know, which headphone for, you know, that's on a budget is better, because these right here are only 20 bucks. And if you know, watch the other videos, we had a $15 pair and also a $30 pair. So I'm quite curious to figure out, are the Jlabs for only 20 bucks better than the $30 JVC true wireless headphones? But let's go to get into it, you guys. But before we do that as well, I keep forgetting about that. You know, we gotta do it. Help me out, man. We had 1,900 subscribers. If you guys can, definitely go ahead and drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel for some more daily content. Let's get it. All right, so we got the Jlabs right here. Let's go ahead and get some stuff out the way. I got my notes and everything, you know. My notes, I gotta make sure I take the right notes and whatever. Anyway, so the Jlabs right here, they come with 32 hours of playtime, meaning as in you can have 8 hours outside of the case and you can get an additional 24 hours inside the case as well. So, you know, like you got a lot of time to, you know, charge up, you know? So that's a great thing about that as well. Now with the JVCs, they were only doing 15 hours. So these right here are already, you know, bringing better numbers. But let me go ahead and unbox it right here. It looks like it does have a pull tab right here. So let's go ahead and pull this over. Maybe they told us to grab a pair of scissors. But we'll see if we can go ahead and pry it open, you know, with our hands. Oh, probably not, but you know what we got to do next, guys. Let's go ahead and rip that box open. Sadly, we got to do that. I guess I should be more prepared next time. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in here. Pull that open. Pull this open. Lord, jeez, I need to get better with unboxing. All right, cool. So we got the box right here. Let's put that to the side, and then this right here is going to be the Jlab Go Air Pops. Now, I don't think that they have a smaller brand because I mean it's already 20 bucks, so hopefully they don't. But anyway, let's go ahead and see. So it says these are gel cushion tips and the quick start guide that's going to be under here. So let's go ahead and get that open right quick. Okay, that's not a puller. All right, cool. We can open the box like this then. All right, cool. So we open it up. They give us some like little nice fancy stuff. And then we got the Jlab information right here. I believe this is the quick start guide. Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like, the quick start guide to help us out, you know, with, yeah, just setting them up pretty much. And then we got the headphones here. But let's go ahead and pull out the tips right quick because, you know, we want to get all the boring stuff out the way so we can get into it. Oh, okay. They just come in here loose. So they gave us 2 different size tips. So we got a total of 3 of them. You know, you got the big ones if you got some big old eardrums. So you got small, you got little eardrums, you know, something like that. You look, knowing me, you probably ain't even got to use them for that. Probably just for straight up comfort. But we'll see what's up with that. Let's put that to the side because that's going to get messy. Let's get into the main portion of it. So this right here is going to be the Jlab headphone set right here. It's kind of similar to, you know, other brands as well, but I mean, it's not bad at all. I like it. It's very sleek and everything. It's a compact case. Jlab, they did state that this is 15% smaller than all of their other headphones that they do have out currently right now. So, I mean, seeing, you know, earbuds is 15% smaller, I'm quite curious to figure out, you know, are they going to be too small or are they just going to be right, you know, just right. So let's go and open it up right now. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, with the Jlab headphones, I mean, they pretty much look, I mean, dog, it's something up with me in headphones. I always drop them. But I mean, they pretty much look good. I mean, I like them, you know, little cheap headphones, whatever, 20 bucks or whatever, you know. Christmas is coming around, you know, go ahead and get your family and friends a pair of these right here as well. You know, only thing that's going to come down to is the price really doesn't matter because there's a ton of headphones out here for like 15 to 20 bucks, 30 bucks as well. The main thing that's going to come down to probably is the design of them, and then also the sound quality of them, and also probably battery life as well. Because like, let's say for instance you're out jogging or whatever, and you know, you need that, you know, you need the headphones, and they just die on you. It ain't gonna work out like that. But anyway, let's go right back into the case. Let's go ahead and talk some more details about this case right here. So inside the case as well, this is going to be a wireless charging case for the earbuds, not the case itself, but the earbuds. You know, you just go ahead and pop them up in here like that. They got the little 2 prongs on the back of them as well. Just like in the previous models or whatever, you know, if they ain't wireless, they got the little 2 prongs right there, and just smack dab it right inside the case. I always do this to the case. They always just close up on me. Bruh. They always did it. Bruh. It always happens to the best of us. But anyway, if you can kind of sort of see, you probably can't because it's like a glossy black finish inside, but there's like 2 little prongs right there that you can go ahead and smack the earbuds in right there. So let's go ahead and see. Yeah, you just smack dab them right there. And then it looks like we also got this little LED light that just came up on there as well. It's going to show us that they are charging, or either they're fully charged. But let's go ahead and talk some more about the case as well. So this doesn't come with the standard. Lord Jesus, this doesn't come with the standard case. I mean, the standard charger. So I believe this is a Type A charger, and what that means is that you need to go get you a USB charger for it. Sadly, I mean, I don't know how I feel about that, because I feel like they should have put one in the box for us, but they didn't. So we're stuck with figuring out what to do next. That's one con about Jlab right there. I don't like that. Look, let me make sure. Yeah, they didn't put no little thing in there, so it's a Type A charger for one. So yeah, I guess we can just go ahead and hook it up. Let me go grab a quick cable. Let me see if that is the case. Hold on. So I got this little adapter right here. I forgot what product I bought that gave me this. Like, you know, I got the USB-A on here and the female AML port. Lord, this camera be always. Let's go cover my face. Cover my face for y'all right quick. But anyway, I got these little 2 prongs right here, whatever. So let me go ahead and see if I can plug it in here, and that should charge it up. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like you need to go ahead and get the USB-A female port. Yeah, and that's how you'll charge this thing up. Other than that, you can't use the other. Yeah, you won't be able to use the other one because it's too big. But yeah, you're gonna have to get you something like this to charge these headphones up. That's all I'm saying. I wish they would have, you know, included that. You know, included this in, but you also may be able to plug this into, let's say for instance, if you have a, let's see, if you have, I guess you can plug it into your computer as well, and that should help out a lot. All right, let's see. And now the camera don't want to focus on us anymore. I guess the camera said no more. Well, let's go to see. We're back anyway. But yeah, so yeah, you can plug this up into probably, you know, like a computer or whatever, and you should be straight with that. Or if you have like a portable charger, or I got something hooked up to my computer right now where I can just go ahead and, you know, plug in random accessories. But anyway, let's go and talk some more specs about this as well, because enough of the charger, because like I said, I'm not a fan of the charger at all. Once again, like I said, it comes in 5 different colors. That's probably why they do call it a pop. It is rated IPX4 as well, meaning as in it is going to help you, you know, avoid water damage or either sweat as well. So, you know, for athletes and people that goes on the walks, you know, you got to be an athlete to pretty much, you know, understand that, hopefully. But that's that right there. So yeah, that's all the boring stuff about the headphones. Now, the more important thing that I think is sound test. Let's go ahead and see how bad or how good the quality of the sound is. So I'm gonna grab my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're gonna go ahead and hook these things up, test them out right quick, and see if we, you know, can get jiggy with it. Basically, it says on the paper, it says remove the tabs. Red indicator is gonna show up. So basically, I just gotta, let's take these out the case. Let's see if that'll help us out first, which it should. I always do it. Anyway, so we got the headphones outside of the case now, and as you can probably tell, there is like a LED indicator that's on here that's telling me that it's ready to pair. If you can't see that, I apologize. I can't do anything about that. We'll put that a little closer to the camera. Maybe you can see that little glare. That's all that y'all gonna see. But anyway, on the phone right here, the Jlab Go Air Pops are on here. So let's go ahead and get those connected now. And let's go ahead and put them in our ears and see. So this is the left and right. And hopefully, like I said, I really don't like headphones like these. These are kind of weird. Wow. So it does have the voice accessibility, so I can talk to, you know, I can do Siri on here as well. It also has touch features as well. I sound so weird right now. It's crazy. Like ew. It sounds weird. So we're gonna go to my yeah, I was listening to Rick Ross, so I'm gonna go ahead and play Rick Ross real quick and see, you know, how does it really sound. Let's see. Let's play something different. All right, yeah, so we done with the sound test already. There's not much to it. Yeah, so the sound test, I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys right now. $20 headphones, I mean, I really didn't expect that much out of it. However, these sound like dollar store headphones to me. So with that being said, if you're somebody that got the money, you know, to go spend some extra money, I would actually recommend buying the JVCs over the Jlabs. Maybe it's just these Jlab headphones, but these don't sound that great at all, like, you know, they should, or what I intended them to sound like. The $15 pair of JVCs sounded way much better than this right here. Like, I'm honestly like saying these things sounded like I put them in a bucket of water and then I put them in my ear. That's what they kind of sound like to me. So, you know, sorry Jlab, but you know, I just gotta be honest. I just have to be honest, that's all. But for those who still, you know, may be interested in this product as well, this thing does come with 3 EQ settings as well, and that's equalizers. So maybe that's my issue. Maybe I need to go ahead and test the equalizers out. So it comes with a Jlab. Let me grab my notes real quick, because that's a weird. Let me see. They got something different. All right, so this comes with the Jlab signature sound. That's what it was. I was like, what is it called? It comes with that, and also comes with like a bass booster as well. So that's pretty chill on there. Then it also comes with the balance mode as well. So let me reapply them and see if that would help me out. I hope so. It's touch sensor, so you can, you know, like AirPods, you can tap it. Yeah, tap it twice, a couple times, you know, pause the music. And I think this one, oh God, that fell out. I was like, then I think one of these ears, wait, did that just come out like that? I think these may be, let me play the music right quick. Okay, never mind. So I thought that the headphones were able to, like, you know, detect like the AirPods where, you know, you take one out, then it would play back, or it will stop and then you put it back in and it'll play again. But instead it's dual settings, so meaning as in you can actually listen to one of them at a time. Instead, the JVCs, they didn't have that feature. They was gonna play no matter what. So that sucked about them. But other than that right there, like I said, the Jlab for 20 bucks, I'm really not mad at them at all. I mean, it's a sweet product as well. It's just not for the consumers that, you know, want to get, you know, some more out of their products. This product right here is definitely going to be for like a small kid or Christmas gift, because it's not that bad. Look, Siri, she done heard me again. Let me put the phone over there. But anyway, yeah, so that's Jlab right there, man. That's, you know, I'm just looking at my notes. There's nothing more to it, nothing less. We pretty much went over everything as well. But anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. Definitely wanted you guys to do this for me, please. Go ahead and comment down below some thoughts about the Jlab products. Let me know what you guys choose the Jlabs over the JVCs. And then in my next video, we're actually going to be doing a video where we're going to go over the Jlabs and both JVC products. We may test out the microphone system in all 3 of them as well while we're doing the video, but it just depends on, you know, it depends, honestly. It depends on how everything goes. But anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. Definitely want to say thank you guys so much for choosing my channel and watching. This is right here, 3rd day of the Vlogmas or Techmas, like we were saying. I don't know, I was thinking about changing over, but we probably stick with Vlogmas. I got some very interesting things coming up with challenges too for me and my my girlfriend. We're going to be doing a challenge very shortly. So definitely hope you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bells on for some more. And we guys will see you guys later. Peace out.